Namashwaya. Welcome to the second session on permutation combination. In the first session, we have seen the introduction. Quite everybody have taken the pre-quiz of the session. The explanation of the PDF explanatory solutions for the 5 questions which you have taken in the pre-quiz will be shared as a PDF copy in WhatsApp groups and also in Microsoft Teams. Also, the introduction handout with all the formulae is being circulated to you, and also the workbook for this permutation and combination is being shared to you, because most of you might have kept your books in hostels like that. Okay, so now first question: if I have kept 6 different books on a shelf, in how many different ways can I arrange them? So now, which book to keep in the first place, which book to keep in the second place, like that the problem goes. Now, first book, which can come as first book? So there are 6 options for you to select. 6 choices are there for you to select. So first book can be selected in 6 ways. So already you have selected one book and you have kept in the shelf. So the remaining 5 books are there. So the second book you can select only from the remaining 5 books. So it goes on like that. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, it's nothing but 6 factorial. So in 720 ways you can arrange just the 6 books in a shelf. Just imagine 6 books can be arranged in 720 ways in your shelf. So this is the answer. Second question: in how many ways can the letters of the word leader be rearranged? So any word is given, or any numbers, a set of numbers is given. First of all, do an analysis of the word or the given numbers. Any repetition is there or not. Here you see E is repeated for 2 times. All the other words letters are just there for 1 time. So it has 1L, 2E, 1A, 1D and 1R. Now, so repetition is there. Some repetitions are there. So the required number of ways you can rearrange them is what? It is not just 6 factorial. I have already told you in the introduction session, if you are having a same color costumes, the number of varieties is going to get reduced. By what? By the repetition factorial. So how many times it is got reduced, repeated? 2 times. So divided by 2 factorial. This 1 factorial is just for your understanding. It's, you can avoid that 1 factorial also. The value it will not get changed. So 6 factorial is 720. 720 divided by 2, it is 360 ways you can rearrange the letters of the word leader without giving any meaning. So it's the understood default. Now, third question: in how many ways can the letters of the word optical be rearranged such that the vowels are always together? So now it's the next part of the rearrangement of words. So vowels. So how many vowels are here? A, E, I, O, U. So first of all, check. So the checking, the separation of vowels you have to do from the first letter itself. So first letter O. So O is an vowel. Okay, take it. Then P, it's consonant. T is consonant. I, yes, it's a vowel. Take it. Then C, no. A is vowel. L, no. So now you take all the vowels separately and put them inside a bracket so that they are always together. Now, what about the remaining? So PTCL are the 4 letters available. So now PTCL inside the bracket OIA. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are there. Then that bracket is also a letter. So totally 5 letters are there. So these 5 letters can be rearranged in 5 factorial ways, that is 120 ways. Now, this inside the bracket, they can rearrange among themselves. It can be OIA, IOA, AIO. It goes on like that. So the three things can be rearranged inside that bracket as in 3 factorial ways. So that is what? 6 ways. So applying multiplication rule here, so 120 into 6, it's 720 ways you can rearrange the letters of the word optical under the given constraint. What is the constraint? Vowels are always together. For this, I will give you a sub example. What is that means? You go to red bus, select a bus, you see the available seats, 10 seats are there. Now you are selecting some 3 seats and you are reserving your ticket. Now on the day of the journey, your family members will get into the bus and there are 3 seats reserved for you. So you will decide on the day of journey after getting into the bus whom to occupy which seat, because 3 seats are there under your control. So now whom to go and occupy to which seat. So you can rearrange, you can occupy that 3 seats among yourself in what? 3 factorial ways. So it's as simple as that. It's just for your understanding I am telling this. Now coming to the 4th question, in how many ways can the letters of the word signature be rearranged such that the vowels are never together? Vowels are never together. So vowels should always be separated. So first of all, for this condition to get satisfied, we have to check before proceeding whether it is practically possible or not. So there are 4 vowels, I, A, U, E. As we have did there, we have to go from first letter till last letter and check it and separate it. So A, I, A, U, E are there. Now, okay, 4 vowels are there. So remaining 5 consonants are there. It's S, G, N, T, R. Now, we have to first make the infrastructure ready for the vowels to occupy in alternate seats, because they should never be together. So what is the infrastructure to arrange them? C should be, so first of all, seated in alternate rows. Now C are all seated in alternate rows. Give a space between all the C. So what? So 5 C's are there. So in between 4 dash, and it's not only that 4 dash, but the first place and the last place also the vowels can occupy. So 6 places are there as per the in order to satisfy the given condition, 6 seats are there for the vowels to sit or accommodate. Now, first of all, these 5 consonant seats can be filled in 5 factorial ways. The 5 seats are allotted for consonants. So now this S, G, N, T, R can occupy any of the seats in what? 120 ways. Now there are only 4 vowels, but there are 6 seats to occupy. So how many ways they can go, and they will first of all select the seats, 4 seats, and then they will what? Rearrange among themselves in that 4 seats. So now what? P of N comma R is what? 6P4. Now you have to what? Select 4 seats out of the available 6 seats. So 6P4. So it's nothing but what? Selection come arrangement. So as per the formula, it gives you 360 ways 360 ways these vowels can occupy, 4 vowels can occupy the 6 available seats as per the constraint or condition given. Now the consonants can be arranged in 120 ways and the 4 vowels can be arranged in 360 ways. So multiplication rule, it gives you 43,200 ways to rearrange them as per the given constraint. What is the constraint? Vowels are never together. Underline that, vowels are never together. Now, fifth question, in how many ways can the letters of the word machine be arranged such that vowels occupy only even positions? Fifth question, in how many ways can the letters of the word machine be arranged such that vowels occupy only even positions? So vowels should occupy even positions. So first of all, first 1, 2, 3, it goes like that. So the consonants should occupy odd positions. So 1, 3, 5, 7, like that, the consonants should occupy. Segregate the things. How many vowels are there? A, I, E, 4, consonants 4, M, C, H, N. So 1, 3, 5, 7 can occupy the seats. 1, 3, 5, 7 should be occupied by consonants. Here you cannot put the dash in front of the consonants, in front of the first consonant and after the fourth consonant as we have done there, because alternate positions but here it's even positions. So if you are putting one dash before this first consonant, then the consonant will occupy the even positions. That is not allowed as per the given conditions. So now only 2, 4, 6 can be occupied by the vowels. Now here still you can put a dash after fourth consonant, that is 2, 4, 6 and 8th seat, but here there are only 3 vowels to occupy, so that fourth even seat is not accepted. Now these 4 consonants can be arranged in 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, 24, and the 3 vowels can be arranged in the 3 seats, the 3 even position seats in 3 factorial ways. So the required number of ways is 24 into 6, 144 ways. Now coming to the 6th question, the number of 6-digit numbers that can be formed from 0, 1, 5, 6, 7 and 8 in which the first digit is not 0 or. So here they have given you, that is what the first digit cannot be 0. So that means what? 1 digit number, 2 digit number, or the 5 digit number with 1 0 in front is not accepted. Now first of all put the dashes, 6-digit number, so 6 dashes. These 6 places are need to be filled. So now the first place cannot be a 0 as per the condition. So now 0 cannot come, so strike out the 0. 1, 5, 6, 7 and 8 can occupy. So how many? 5 can occupy. So second digit can be filled in 5 ways, because already we have used the only 1 digit. So remaining 4 digits are there, and that 0 can also come as a second digit. So 4 plus 1, 5 possibilities are there to fill the second digit. Now here only you have to stop and spend 1 second and write the things carefully. Now similarly the third digit can be filled in 4 ways, because already 5 possible ways are there. So we have taken one number from that, and so remaining 4, 3, 2, 1 it comes down. So now it is not blindly 6 factorial ways, but it is what? 5 into 5 into 4, 3, 2, 1. So this can be written as 5 into 5 factorial. So 5 into 120 is 600. Now, coming to the 7th question, the cause of productivity loss are to be written around a circle in the annual report. In how many ways can an analyst write them around the circle if the number of causes are 5? So in the introduction class itself, I have told you, if you are numbering as a tabulation, or if you are putting as a bar chart, or in a graph, in a scatter chart method or any other methods, so the number of ways you can list them is what? 5 factorial ways you can list, which uh, one has to occupy serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 in x-axis or y-axis, anything which is the order. So like that, it you can rearrange them. But here it is a circular format, so that means what? It is going to be a pie chart kind of thing. So now what? So there comes our circular permutation. So what is the formula for circular permutation? It is n minus 1 factorial, because here nobody is first and nobody is last. Okay, everybody is arranged in a circular manner. So it is n minus 1 factorial. So 5 minus 1 factorial is 4 factorial. The answer is 24 ways.